Okay, let's continue to look at evaluating functions with this function notation. We got two more here in this video. Number 3, it says P of 4, okay, is the next one we're going to look at. So P of 4, we'll find the P function. It's up here in the graph, and the graphs are nice to work with. They do give you a lot of information about the equation and what's going on with it. As far as function notation goes, the x-axis does not change. It's still going to be that horizontal axis. You go over your x values. Though what we used to call the y-axis, though, is going to change into just the function value axis, or what we call the P of x axis. Okay, it's still the output values. Remember, this is still going to be your outputs, and your x values represent your inputs. Okay, so we input the x, we output the y, and from the graph we can tell what we should get for each input. What's going to happen here? So P of 4 is telling me, again, remember this is your x value, so when x is 4, so when x equals 4, what do we output? When I plug in 4 to the x, what do I get? And we can look here, so we have to find 4 on the x-axis, and then we go down till we hit that graph. Okay. And what we need to do is identify that point right there. So that point is going to be 4. That's when x is 4. But what's the y-coordinate? Well, the y-coordinate's at -1 right there. So we'd say the point 4, -1 is on the graph. Okay, it's just like the table then. When we input 4, we output -1. So P of 4 then should be -1. Okay. Take a look at number 4 here. It says m of 0. M is again the graph over here, and we have our input x-axis. We have our now m of x-axis, which is our output values, and we just want to figure out what's going on here when x is 0. So x is 0 right here at the origin. So if we follow it up till we hit our graph, we should be able to identify that point as 0, 3. That's the output. The output's 3, the input's 0. So m of 0 then is just going to be 3. When we plug in 0, we go up to our graph, we hit 3, we're good to go. Hey, check the next video out to see examples 5 and 6 where we're working with the equation.